Hello everyone! Not only good, you will look awesome in these beautiful and unique hairstyles. So try making these hairstyles at home. Now let's see how can you make this beautiful hairstyle. Twist your hair like this, then make a braid, and with this you have to make a bun. This finish it using a hairpin. Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. You have to make a ponytail like this, and this beautiful bun you have to make a braid like this, and with this beautiful bun is ready. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You can take wonderful and unique hairstyling ideas. Make a braid like this, and with this you have to make a bun. Divide your hair in two parts, then twist it like this, and this is ready. Make a ponytail, and then you have to divide your hair in three parts. Make a braid like this, tie it together, and this beautiful bun is ready. Divide your hair in three parts, and then you have to make a braid like this, and one part you have to make it like this, and then you have to make a braid. See how beautiful it was looking? Now let's proceed with this hairstyle. Make a beautiful braid, and with this you can make this beautiful bun.